The motorcycle industry is in turmoil, and the crash of 2025 is proving to be far worse than anyone expected. Rising costs, declining sales, and major manufacturers struggling to stay afloat. This isn't just a temporary slump, it's a full-blown crisis. Today on Bike Review Pro, we break down what's happening, why it's happening, and how it's going to impact riders, dealerships, and the industry as a whole. Plummeting sales. A shocking decline. Motorcycle sales have dropped sharply in the past year, with reports indicating a 30 to 40% decline in some regions. The primary reasons? Economic instability, higher interest rates, and a shift in consumer preferences. Many potential buyers are hesitant to invest in expensive motorcycles when living costs are skyrocketing. Overproduction and unsold inventory. Manufacturers anticipated continued growth and ramped up production. But with declining demand, dealerships are overflowing with unsold bikes. Some brands are offering heavy discounts, but even that isn't enough to clear inventory. This overproduction has led to financial losses, forcing companies to halt production lines and lay off workers. The electric revolution, a blessing or a curse? The rapid push towards electric motorcycles is another factor contributing to the chaos. While some consumers embrace EVs, many traditional riders are skeptical due to range limitations, high prices, and lack of charging infrastructure. Manufacturers investing heavily in electric technology are seeing mixed results, with some struggling to sell their EV models. The rise of used motorcycles. With new motorcycles becoming increasingly expensive, more buyers are turning to the used market. This surge in second-hand sales has further hurt new bike sales. Many dealerships are now shifting their focus towards servicing and selling pre-owned bikes instead of relying on new inventory. Manufacturer struggles. Even the big players are suffering. Major brands like Harley Davidson, Yamaha, and Kawasaki are feeling the pressure. Some have already announced production cuts, while others are shutting down certain models entirely. The supply chain crisis and increasing production costs have only made things worse. What this means for riders and enthusiasts. For motorcycle lovers, this crash presents both challenges and opportunities. While new models may become more expensive, great deals on used bikes and deep discounts on leftover stock could benefit savvy buyers. However, service costs might rise as dealerships struggle to stay in business. The road ahead. Will the market recover? The industry will eventually stabilize, but it won't be the same as before. Expect fewer models, a stronger push towards electric bikes, and a market that caters more to high-end buyers than budget-conscious riders. If manufacturers don't adapt quickly, we could see some iconic brands disappear entirely. The future of motorcycling. The motorcycle market crash of 2025 is a wake-up call for the industry. The way people ride, buy, and think about motorcycles is changing. Will this lead to a new golden age of innovation, or will it mark the decline of an era? Only time will tell. Stay tuned to Bike Review Pro for more updates on the future of motorcycles. That wraps up today's deep dive into the motorcycle market crisis. Let us know in the comments. Are you feeling the impact of this crash? And don't forget to subscribe to Bike Review Pro for more in-depth motorcycle news and reviews.